Attaching a disposable scalpel blade to a reusable handle takes valuable time, but in emergencies you don't have any time to spare. Fully disposable scalpels save time by coming with a blade already attached to the handle. However, they take up a lot more space. Here's a way of quickly improvising a mini scalpel handle from blade packaging material. Check the orientation of the blade in its packet and fold it to create a point on the end that has the pointed end of the scalpel. This way, in an emergency, you will quickly know which side to open it from. Then push the tip of the blade out of the packaging material and fold the packaging on either side of the blade. Make sure to squeeze the packaging really tightly around the blade so it doesn't have any room to wiggle inside. And there you have it, a handle you can even hold in pencil grip. Although it does take a few seconds to make, most of those seconds would inevitably be used for taking the blade out of the packaging anyways. So essentially it's like you're taking the blade out of the packaging and putting it on the handle at the same time. And this improvised handle being shorter than a regular handle shouldn't be a big issue, because even with regular scalpel handles you would be holding on closer to the blade for maximum control, meaning unless you have giant hands, the rest of the handle isn't usually used.